What is the correct equation for cellular respiration? በነገራችን ላይ ሴሉላር ሪስፓይሬሽን ጀነራል ኬሚካል ኢኩዌሽኑ ምንድን ነው ከተባለ ግሉኮዝ ሞለኪል C6H12O6 react with that of the oxygen so as to produce carbon dioxide plus water plus energy ነው። so ባላንስ እናደርገው ይሄንን 666 so the answer is B. 6 molecules of oxygen react with glucose molecule to produce carbon dioxide, water, and then around 36 or 38 ATP molecules for energy. That's why the answer is B. What amount of net gain in ATP does glycolysis provide to a cell? በነገራችን ላይ glycolysis is the first stage of cellular respiration in which glucose molecule is converted into pyruvate. When a single glucose molecule is converted into pyruvate, 2 net ATP can be produced. So the answer is A, 2 ATP molecules. 57. What is the term for the process by which organisms keep their internal conditions at fairly constant states? Which is obvious, and the answer is homeostasis. The process of maintaining constant internal environment, homeostasis. Catabolism is kind of metabolic reaction. Catabolism, break apart, break down ማለት ነው። Evolution ማለት gradual change ነው። Photosynthesis ማለት the process by which autotrophic organisms like green plants produce their own food. But the process of maintaining constant internal environment is said to be homeostasis. Which of the following requires expenditure of ATP? Osmosis, facilitated diffusion, simple diffusion. These are a kind of passive transport. But endocytosis is an active transport that requires ATP, energy. ATP ማለት በነገራችን ላይ አደኖሲን ትራይፎስፌት the energy currency of the cell. The immediate source of energy for a given cell is said to be ATP. So endocytosis requires energy, ATP. What is the most probable selection pressure responsible for the evolution of green skin color in frogs inhabiting tropical rainforests? A. Climate. B. Reproduction. Infection by pathogens. D. Predation. So what will be the answer? መልሱ በነገራችን ላይ ፕሪዴሽን። ስለዚህ በፕሪዴተር እና በፕሬ መሀል ያለው ጥምረት ፕሪዴሽን ብለን እንወስደዋለን። በነገራችን ላይ ትሮፒካል ሬን ፎረስት ኤቨር ግሪን የሆነ ፎረስት ነው። እዛ አካባቢ ልናገኛቸው የምንችላቸውን ፍሮጎች ሞስት ኦፍ ዘ ታይም ግሪን ስኪን ላይ ያላቸው ዶሚናንት ሆነው እናገኛቸዋለን። ከን ዩ ቴል ሚ ዘ ሪዝን ዋይ? ቢካውዝ ኦፍ ፕሪዴሽን። ሌሎቹ እንዲጠፉ የሚያደርጋቸው ምንድነው? ፕሪዴተር ነው። ነገር ግን ግሪን ስኪን ያላቸው ፍሮጎች ከአካባቢው ጋር ተመሳስለው አካባቢውን አዳፕት አድርገው ሰርቫይቭ የማድረግ ባህሪ ስለሚያሳዩ እዛ አካባቢ ኢንሃቢቲንግ ሆነው የምናገኛቸው ታይፕስ ኦፍ ፍሮግስ ቤዚክሊ ግሪን ስኪን ያላቸው ናቸው። ስለዚህ ሌሎቹ እንዲጠፉ እነዚህ ሰርቫይቭ እንዲያደርጉ የሚያደርጋቸው ነገር ምንድን ነው? ሶ ፕሪዴሽን ኢዝ አንሰር። ዚስ ኢዝ አ ሴሌክሽን ፕሬዠር ዛት is responsible for the existence of these types of frogs. Which group of organisms found in Ethiopia is represented by the highest number of endemic taxa? Good. I need your answer on the comment section. Thank you so much.